The Education Ministry will, in the coming days, begin to assess reports from school administrators across the island on the registration and attendance of students in schools this week. Acting Chief Education Officer Dr. Kassan Troop says the information will guide the ministry's intervention.
So part of the job that the principals are to do now is to send through to us the registration data coming out of this week. We will be relying on that data to compare with what we would have had in the summer with terms of our child find to make sure that those students are present. If not, we have to get back into the field. So as customary, this week is orientation, re-registration, and out of that data coming in now, we will now know how else to reach back out to those parents.
And in response to some parents and guardians adopting a wait-and-see approach, the Education Ministry is urging parents not to delay.
I really want to encourage our parents to make sure that our students are attached. They are back in their school environment, whichever modality that is being used. I'm asking our parents not to wait. The pandemic is here and we have to learn through the pandemic and not put off the education program. So I'm asking parents, get involved, get in touch with your schools, your principals and your teachers. They are there waiting for you to guide you and to support you.